All right, class, welcome to day 2 of Unit 5. We are here working on Lesson 2 today, Friday, June the 19th. So let's take a look at what's going on. We're looking at voting and elections today, where, as previously, we looked at political parties. Now, we're going to focus on voting and elections. All right. So we're going to start with a video on voter behavior. And then read the following: participating in government and voting out of our online textbook. We're looking at a video about the right to vote, the history of voting rights in the United States, a very, very short quiz on voter application. Okay. Well, there's a clip from Family Guy right here about a debate, and then undecided voters. You'll be taking this one question quiz after that video there, and then you're going to finish up this part of the lesson by taking that lesson quiz there. Take a little break. We're looking at campaigns and elections, followed by a series of video clips about elections, voting behavior, how the Electoral College works, okay, and the money. Elections can't happen if there is no money. So take a look at the money aspect of elections and then finish up by taking that quiz right there. Okay? Any questions? Find me on Zoom. And do a great job today, guys. You'll wrap up a really good week.